Hello, children. I am Kamakshi R. Nayak, your English teacher. Welcome you all for the grammar class. Today's topic is figure of speech. So, today we learn the four important figure of speeches. That is, first one is simile, second is metaphor, third is alliteration, fourth one is personification. First, we'll know what is a simile. Similes are a way to compare two things using like or as. In a simile, one person or a thing is compared to another. There are two patterns which can be followed while we are using the figure of speech simile. Now, we'll see pattern 1 in which the word like is used. First, verb plus like plus noun. For example, she dances like a peacock. Second one, he runs like a cheetah. When we take the first example, she dances like a peacock. Here, the dancing of a girl is being compared to that of a dancing of a peacock by using the word like. In the second example, he runs like a cheetah. The running speed of a boy is being compared to the cheetah by using the word like. I hope you have understood the first pattern. Now we'll move on to the pattern 2, where we compare two things using the word as. Here the format is as, adjective, as plus noun. For example, he is as tall as a giant. So, here the height of a person is being compared to that of a height of a giant. Second example, her speech is as smooth as butter. Here, the speech of a girl, that is the softness, is being compared with that of an adjective smooth. Smoothness we find in the butter. Second figure of speech is metaphor. So, what is metaphor? A metaphor makes a comparison between two unlike things or ideas without using as or like. We'll move on to the examples of metaphor. First one, camel is the ship of desert. Here, ship is a means of transportation. The means of transportation in the desert region is made by using the camel. So, camel is the means of transportation in the desert region, and hence the comparison of transportation is made in the sentence. Second example is heart of stone. Here, the strong or strength is being compared. That is, stone is an object which is very hard. So, the hardness of a stone is being compared to that of the hardness of a heart. Hence, it is an example of a metaphor. Third figure of speech is alliteration. Alliteration is the repetition of a speech sound in a sequence of nearby words. Usually, the term is applied only to consonants and only when the recurrent sound begins a word or a stressed syllable within a word. It is called as alliteration. Examples of alliteration. First one, she sells seashells on the seashore. The word yes is a consonant sound which gets repeated. Second one, Walter wondered where Winnie was. Here, the consonant W sound is being repeated. Moving on to the fourth figure of speech, that is Personification. So, what is personification? Which gives human qualities to non living things or ideas. Examples of personification. First one, the waves besides them danced. Here, the waves are given the human action of dancing. Second example, the flowers nodded. Here, the nodding of a human action is being compared to the movement of the flash. I hope you have all understood the four figure of speeches, children. Here is a small exercise related to the four figure of speeches which we have learnt. Pause the video and try to find the answers of your own. Have you done it, children? Here are the answers. Now cross check and find out what is the total marks what you have scored. I think you have got all the right answers, isn't it, children? Thank you. Meet you in the next class.